Hello, everyone, and welcome to this Excel Basic Level and Fundamentals training. My name is Yusra from All CX Solutions, and in this one-week tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the essential skills you need to confidently use Microsoft Excel. If you're watching from Tanzania, karibu sana. And remember, if you'd like to join my physical Excel classes in Dar es Salaam, feel free to visit my Instagram account, Yusra Ibwe, and send me a DM. Let's begin our journey into mastering Excel. This is our roadmap for the week. We will cover Day 1, Excel Introduction and Basic Navigation. Day 2, Data Entry Fundamentals. Day 3, Data Manipulation Techniques. Day 4, Grouping, Hiding, and Organization. Day 5, Basic Formatting Essentials. What is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application used worldwide for organizing and analyzing data. It helps you perform calculations, build reports, create charts, track budgets, manage inventory, and so much more. The file format you'll be working with is usually .xlsx. This is called an Excel workbook. Before we start working, let's get familiar with the Excel interface. You have the ribbon at the top, which organizes all your tools and commands. There's a quick access toolbar that gives you shortcuts to commonly used actions. The formula bar shows what's inside your active cell. The name box displays the cell reference or range name. Worksheet tabs allow you to move between multiple sheets, and the status bar at the bottom gives you useful information like sums, averages, and counts. Understanding these areas will make your workflow much easier. To work efficiently in Excel, you must navigate smoothly. Use arrow keys to move from cell to cell, and combine them with Control to jump to the edges of a data range. Control plus Home takes you back to A1, while Control plus End jumps to the last used cell. Use your mouse to select, scroll, zoom, or right-click for quick options. These shortcuts will help you save a lot of time. Data Entry Fundamentals. On Day 2, we focus on data entry. To enter text, click a cell and type. Numbers are automatically aligned to their right. Enter dates using formats like day, month, year, or day, month abbreviation. Remember that formulas must start with an equal sign, such as equals A1 plus B1. Use Tab to move right, Enter to move down, and Alt plus Enter to create a line break inside the same cell. AutoFill and FlashFill. Excel has smart tools to speed up your work. AutoFill helps you continue patterns like days, months, or number sequences just by dragging the small square at the corner of a cell. FlashFill, available in Excel 2013 and newer, detects patterns automatically, perfect for splitting names, reformatting text, or extracting parts of data. Just type the pattern and press Ctrl plus E. Data Manipulation Basics. Now let's look at manipulating data. Use Ctrl plus X to cut, Ctrl plus C to copy, and Ctrl plus V to paste. Paste Special allows you to paste only values, formats, or formulas. For searching, use Ctrl plus F to find and Ctrl plus H to replace. You can also use wildcards like the star and question mark to perform advanced searches. Sorting and filtering. To organize data, use sorting and filtering. Sort alphabetically or numerically using A to Z and Z to A. You can also sort multiple columns or even sort by color. Filtering helps you temporarily hide data you don't want to see. Just click the Filter button in the Data tab to turn on drop-down menus in your header row. Grouping data. Grouping allows you to organize rows or columns so you can collapse and expand sections easily. This is great for large data sets, financial reports, or showing summary information while hiding the details. Select the rows or columns you want and use the Group button. Hiding rows and columns. When you don't want them visible, you can hide them. Right-click and choose Hide. To unhide, select the surrounding area, right-click and choose Unhide. Hiding data is useful for simplifying views or protecting formulas while presenting your work. Font and cell formatting. Formatting helps your data stand out. Choose font types, adjust sizes, or use bold and underline for emphasis. Align text, merge cells for titles, wrap text for long entries, and rotate text for design purposes. A clean and consistent format makes your workbook easier to read. Number formatting. Excel offers different number formats, including general, number, currency, accounting, percentage, date, and time. Use Ctrl+1 to open the Format Cells dialog, where you can fine-tune how numbers appear. Borders and fill colors. To enhance visibility, use borders to separate sections and fill colors to highlight important areas. Choose light colors for readability and consider alternating row colors to improve clarity. Conditional formatting. Conditional formatting automatically changes a cell's appearance based on its value. You can highlight numbers that are greater than or less than a target, apply data bars, color scales, or icon sets. It's perfect for visualizing data trends at a glance. Charts and graphs. Charts help you visualize your data. Common types include bar charts, line charts, pie charts, scatter plots, and area charts. To create a chart, select your data, go to the Insert tab, choose a chart type, and customize it to your liking. Inserting images and shapes. You can insert images for branding or reference and use shapes to create diagrams or callouts. These tools help you design more visually appealing worksheets and presentations. Data validation. Data validation controls what type of information can be entered into a cell. You can restrict inputs to whole numbers, decimals, dates, text length, or choose from a drop-down list. It's essential for maintaining accuracy in shared workbooks. Comments and notes. Comments are used for collaboration. You can tag people and have conversation threads. Notes are simpler and used for personal reminders. Both tools help you keep track of thoughts, instructions, or explanations inside your workbook. Key takeaways. Summary of what you learned. In 1 week, you have covered everything from basic navigation to data entry, formatting, organization, charts, conditional formatting, and data validation. These are the essential building blocks of Excel, and with daily practice, you will continue improving quickly. Thank you so much for following this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like the video, subscribe to All CX Solutions, and leave a comment telling us what you want to learn next.